Hi everyone, welcome back. I haven't filmed a video in quite some time. I've just been really busy with life. But if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that we went on a family vacation last week and it was lovely, just a much needed vacation. And I, of course, did a little bit of shopping on the vacation. So I thought I would share my luxury purchases with you guys. I did get a few other things that were non-luxury that I don't think I'll bother showing, but I did want to show these items so you can see that I've got a few Chanel items and one Louis Vuitton item. So I'm going to get right into it because my phone battery is fairly low and I don't want it to die before I finish this video. So I'm going to make it quick. So the Louis Vuitton item, I'll start with that. I have used this, so none of these are true unboxings really. They've all been opened, but I thought I'd keep them in their packaging. So the first item that I bought from Louis Vuitton was the new perfume. I think I'm not sure how to pronounce it, Vuitton, I think. And it is so pretty. I actually was influenced to buy this by Lux Purse Love, who showed this on a recent video. And so I went in and smelled it and it just smelled so pretty I had to have it. So the Louis Vuitton perfumes come in really nice packaging. So it comes in this outer box, and then let's see if I can get this out. Just 1 second. Can't do it from that angle. Okay, so then it comes in this kind of cylinder box. And here is the bottle. And there are two sizes. This is the smaller bottle. I believe it's 100 milliliters. And yeah, I'm terrible at describing perfumes, so please just go smell it if you have a store near you, or get a sample, because it smells really, really pretty. I think it's a white floral. But yeah, like I said, I'm not very good at describing perfumes, but it's very concentrated. You don't need a lot, and it does last a long time, which a lot of perfumes don't. And that's what I really like about Louis Vuitton perfumes. The other one I have, the rose one, it lasts all day too. So that is the first item. Oh, and the SA very kindly gave me a few samples. So this is the one I already have a bottle of, and it's one of my favorites. And this one I've thought about buying too. I do like it. Okay, so that is the Louis Vuitton purchase. So I'm going to start with the smallest Chanel item. So you can probably tell what it is from the box. And it came with, the usual stuff, booklet, dust cloth, the price tag is there, which I will show in a second. So I had a choice of case, and I like these newer, softer cases, which are not as bulky as the other hard Chanel cases. And I bought, and again, I've worn these, so they may not be super clean. I bought them at the beginning of the trip, and I wore them every day. So these are the new Chanel sunglasses. I do not know the name of them. But they say Chanel along the top, and I got the black with the beige, which I thought looked really classic, like the kind of classic Chanel colors. Yeah, and they're really, really nice on. And the price was $435, and that's US dollars. I'm not sure how much they are in Canada. So that is the first Chanel item. And the second one, this one my daughter picked out for me, and she wants to give it to me for Christmas. So It is going to be going under our Christmas tree. So I have not used it yet, but we did open it already. So there's the care booklet. And this is from the new collection, the 20C Cruise Collection, and it is the filigree flat card holder in this new purple color, which I thought was really pretty, and my daughter loves purple, so she, as soon as she saw this, she absolutely loved it and really wanted to get it for me. So yeah, so it's just the typical flat card holder. I will show you the, let me find the tag here, put the price on it and the code. Okay, so it was $5.75 US, and that is the code. The color is just called purple, and it is, there's the code again, a 28 series. So yeah, this will be going under the tree, and it will be my gift from my daughter, and it will make me think of her when I use it because she loves purple so much. So I didn't really have anything even remotely close to this color in my collection. So it's a really pretty kind of lilac purple, I guess maybe you could call it. I'm not sure how to describe it, but yeah, it's really pretty. They didn't have much left from the cruise launch in the store I was in, and I wasn't really looking to get a bag, but I thought this was a nice little piece to get, something in that color. And the last item, as you can see, it is a pair of shoes. I didn't put them back in the box. I have them right here. So just to show you this with the box they came in, but these are the shoes that I purchased, and I wore these. I bought them again at the beginning of the trip and wore them all week, so they have been worn, as you can see. They are the most comfortable pair of sneakers that I own. And I own quite a few luxury, like, designer sneakers now. I have Fendi, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Dior, Golden Goose, and these by far are the most comfortable. So I am kind of obsessed with them. I love the details on these. They're a little bit different than the typical Chanel sneakers. Let me just show you some of the details quickly. So it's got just the little gold CC here rather than the big one at the side that a lot of the Chanel classic sneakers have. And then it's got a really subtle black Chanel at the back. And it's got the kind of classic Chanel quilting here. And I like that there are some white accents, but it's mostly black. And it's got the black toe, so it's not white here. So it doesn't, I find that my Dior sneakers that have the white here, like even the black ones have the white here, and it gets really scuffed up from just hitting your toe on things. And so I'm glad that's black. And it has these cutout details here, which is kind of nice. So you can wear a black sock, you could wear a white sock. I guess you could wear them with bare feet in the summer. Yeah, it's just a really cute little detail there, and that's what the laces look like. Yeah, I love them so much. They're so comfortable. And then they've got a strip of patent leather here. There's a little CC there and on the other side. The details are just really beautiful. And the sole is black. And these did run a little bit big, I would say. I usually am a 7.5 or an 8. And I got a 7.5 or a 37.5, and they fit really well, if not have a tiny bit of room. So maybe size half a size down, or I would say half a size down to true to size would be how I would purchase them. That's what they look like inside. I will show you the box for the code and everything. I think these are selling out really fast. Yeah, they're great. I would love to get them in another color if I could find it, but I don't think anyone, I've contacted both my SAs in both of the stores that I shop at here, and they only got black. So I know they come in, I think, ivory, and they may even come in beige as well. I'm not sure if there's two different colors or just the ivory. I'm not sure. But I would love to get them in the ivory if I can find them. Yeah, I love them that much. So I'll show you the information about these. So they were $9.25 US dollars, and there is the code. So again, these are from the 20C Cruise collection. So you can see on the box what the ivory or the white would look like, and I just think they look really nice in white or ivory as well too. So that is my little vacation luxury haul. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.